Advanced Diploma in Retail Supply Chain Management. Retail Management Program for Fresher and Retail Professionals. Online Course Module, Advanced Diploma in Retail Supply Chain Management. India's first specially designed course for retail industry. Who should do it? Freshers, retail professional, trainer. Retail professional working in retail industry. Retail franchise owner. Unique feature. Retail industry-focused retail case studies. Cover all learning tools relevant to retail industry. Mentorship from retail supply chain experts. Job-ready courses. You will learn. Understanding supply chain management. Understanding what is a supply chain and its objectives. Various supply chain components and their roles as well key decision-making. Managerial levers that help achieve adequate supply chain coordination. Achieving supply and demand management through SOP. Syllabus. Defining the retail supply chain. Success in a retail business. Types of retail supply chain businesses. A changing world, moving toward comparative advantage. Corporate social responsibility, sustainability, and the retail industry. Drivers of retail supply chain change. Paths to the customer. Supply chain risk. Choosing store location. Introduction to mall management. Retail maths and matrix. Inventory and shrinkage control. Retail HR. Health, safety and hygiene in retail. Real-time retail case study. Retail operation interview preparation. Soft skills training. Retail supply chain metrics. Meeting the needs of supply chain decision makers. Product types, value to the customer. Businesses inside the business. Activity systems and process definition. Retail supply chain management skills required. Organizing to improve retail supply chain performance. Collaboration with supply chain partners. The demand-driven supply chain. Product tracking along retail supply chains. Understanding supply chain costs. Barriers to addressing root causes for cost. Multi-company collaboration to reduce costs. Who, what? Retail return loops. Interview preparation. Case study. Program details. Online training program. Training by certified trainer and retail industry expert. Interview preparations and interview arrangement. 100% placement assistance. Program modes. Regular mode 9 months. Fast track mode 4.5 months. Hourly mode 180 hours. Become certified retail professional and download Academy of Retail Excellence mobile app.